Let's
Yeah.
begin. So, hi audience, we have Lakshmi Prasanna here with us. So, congratulations, Lakshmi, on your success in getting placed with Site Tech Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, right. Thank you. Thank you.
Lakshmi, you are from biotechnology background
Yeah, I'm from
and
biotechnology.
you have completed BSc and MSc from Osmania University. And after that, you
Yes.
were into research for some time. You did some projects in
Yeah,
research.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So why did you thought that IPR or patents would be a better field than a research field or any other field in which a biotechnology student can go?
It's not much difference between IPR and the research because we have to go through the data and all. We have to
Hmm.
keep on reading. It's only the structure which is different. In
Hmm.
research, we do it for other purpose, and for patent, we do it for other purpose.
Hmm.
So I thought after the pandemic has come, I thought I'll go for a job. So I took into the IPR field.
Hmm. But you
Yeah.
decided you didn't wanted to go for PhD, but you wanted to work.
So yeah, I wanted to work for few years.
Yeah.
I wanted to go for research.
Hmm.
Uh, for time being, I'm into the job. So I wanted to get to know the biotechnology industry and all that.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
Awesome. So how is the feeling coming that getting placed in Hyderabad? So how confident and happy you are right now?
Yeah, actually, it's nice. It's in my own city.
Hmm.
And yeah, knowing about the IPR, it's like advantage, like 50% advantage while working, you'll
Hmm.
get to do the work easily, everything. You are not new to it. So
Hmm.
everything goes smoothly in the company. When you are new to something, so it's like you don't know anything. You'll be like not involved in anything, so you
Hmm.
get involved easily when you know something. So
Hmm.
IPR, like learning this training gave me like 50% advantage, like knowing, getting to know work easily and all.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah.
great, awesome. So how was your interview experience? Were you nervous and how did it went?
Yeah, I was very nervous at the starting.
Yeah.
When he gave me a call, it was a sudden call. I was into some work and he told it was like from SciTech Hyderabad. I was really nervous. I couldn't get anything. Then slowly we had a conversation. Then next day we planned to have a technical round.
Mm-hmm.
So we had a technical round. Then the other day we had an like assignment for IPA thing. Like we know how to do searching and analyzing. So they took the test for me.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a small assignment. I submitted them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So explain like how you did a course from IIPT. So how did this course really help you crack through the interview?
Uh, yeah, it was very helpful. You gave us very good tips while learning, yeah, for LinkedIn, and also how to template our resume and all that,
Mm-hmm.
and how to speak to them. Like we know everything, but sometimes we hesitate to speak them.
Mm-hmm.
So you told us to go through the lines and all that, to be in a technical version more than our own versions. It was nice and helpful.
Great, awesome. So how is your like family and friends like? They must be very proud in the pandemic. People are losing job and you are getting the job.
Yeah. Even I thought that, yeah, I got the job opportunities very late. I thought it's due to pandemic. I did not lose. Like I was not into the rush. I
Hmm.
thought it will be done very slowly. It's okay to be go on like that.
Hmm.
You know, I got the Maxwell call in December. Then I got this in February. So
Hmm.
it was going very slow, but it was okay because it's pandemic time. We can't help it. People will be changing all their schedules. We should understand even them.
So this
So
was
it
your
was,
second interview. First was in
yeah.
Maxwell.
Yeah,
Okay.
first was
So
Maxwell.
what?
It was the
Mm-hmm.
it
Yeah, yeah,
was for
please.
Chennai. It
Uh-huh.
was a Chennai, so it was like we had a location issue, so we didn't go for that.
Okay, okay. But now you're
Yeah.
happy. It is your own city.
Yeah, it's my own city. Yeah.
Great, awesome. So tell me, Lakshmi, when you were struggling through all these days, when you completed your MSc and then there was a pandemic, there were some struggling days, and then you
Yeah,
decided,
yeah, yeah.
"Ki, I want to go into IPR and do." You committed yourself that you want to do learning.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
added your skills. So how difficult it was for you to make a decision? Ki, yes, now I want to add more skills and get into patents.
Yeah. It's nothing like difficult. It's
Hmm.
just like my learning ability, I guess. because I wanted to know about the industry more, because I had a future goals and plans. So I wanted to know each and everything for IPR, for regulations, for research and development. So I was like slowly taking my steps. So I was into IPR. I was so interested, like patents and all that. Oh, actually the work goes like this. Oh, it happens like that and all that. So it was nice.
So were there some struggling nights in which you were like little like thinking what will happen, and now you
Yeah,
got a
yeah,
job?
yeah. Yeah, it was like I was not getting the opportunities. So I did understand that after few months, because it's pandemic, so I understood. I was very worried, like I was not getting job interviews. I thought it was my fault that I'm not getting, I'm not up to it. Like I really thought, I had a thought of it. So later when I got a call, and when I got introduced to the hackathon, it was really very easy. Learning from hackathon was very good than learning from the main portal. It was quite boring learning from the portal,
I
like only
understand.
seeing videos and all that and learning by myself. But hackathon, like learning with you, it helped me a lot.
So
Yeah.
hackathon videos were the one you liked the most.
Yeah, the best. I thought it's the best because whatever doubts we have, we can ask them. And whatever you were clarifying us, it was very nice. And whatever you're giving, like going through one by step, so that everyone could understand in that 1 hour or 2 hours videos, that was really nice.
Great, awesome.
Yeah.
So all through your like family and friends who supported during your struggle days. So,
Yeah,
so,
they're almost like support system.
so your
They'll never
so your
let me
parents must
down
be
in it.
very proud.
Yeah, they are proud. They are very happy that I'm going to work.
Great, awesome. And especially with when it's your own city, you did your BSc, MSc in Hyderabad, now job in
Yeah,
Hyderabad.
yeah.
So
There no issue.
it's a part of a comfort zone that you know the city.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to go to the other cities, but my parents, they don't want me to. When you have access to your own city, why do you want to go for the other cities? So they don't let me go for the other cities. Yeah.
Otherwise, you could have joined Maxwell in
Yeah,
Chennai.
I could have. I asked them also. They said no. And already there was pandemic, so they had a big no. Yeah.
Yeah. Understood. So tell me, Lakshmi, about your college days when you were doing BSc, then you did your MSc. So you have so how is that like when you study in your college and then you did this professional program? Was there any difference, or how did
Yeah,
this added into your skills?
there is a huge difference. Like in syllabus, we had only the few part of it, like an introduction part of it. What is IPR and all that? We don't go into details of it. What does it do and all that is just the part. But when you know about this program, na, you'll get to know each part of that. How does it really works? You will get to know about that. When you get to know about like how does it's really fun in searching, I enjoy doing searching. Even in pandemic times, I love to do searching. Because I'm research oriented, I love to do so many topics and all that. I did so much of searching in that.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
read your resume that you did some research on fungi and you had a session number
yeah,
on
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
I was really good.
yeah, so how satisfying is now that you're doing patent searching and you have a research background? So how much satisfaction you feel? Because a lot of students
Yeah,
generally get confused that
yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah.
not our field.
Yeah, they are not even aware, even I'm not even aware. When I was into my bachelor's, we didn't have an subject or anything. We only had the technical thing of the biotechnology. After MSc, then they introduced us a like few subjects, like what all the industry includes and all that. We never had an idea of IPR, not at all. uh, yeah, you were asking something. Yeah, question was.
Okay, so my question was how coming from a research background, because most students
Yeah.
understand that this is not their field, but now you know that this is related to research only.
Yeah, it's totally related to research. The way the work goes is little different. That's it. How we do it for research, we take all the technical data, we search for it, how it's going, we do it, and how it's progressing and all that. Here, what we do is we kind of uh, segregate it. segregate it and put it into columns like we do the taxonomic table. It's just that. Yeah, there we don't do the segregation and all that. We just go for the confusion. Yeah.
Great, awesome. So any message you want to give to other biotechnology students who are struggling right now?
Yeah, definitely go for the programs, whatever programs we have, definitely learn, go through the hackathon programs again and again. Don't be discouraged. There is nothing to be discouraged. It's just only the learning process. It's okay. The job opportunities may come late to you, but it's just fine. You just keep on going. That's all we can do for right now, because we should understand even the companies are struggling to keep up. So let's just understand each other and go ahead by learning. You have time, so keep on learning. I know it feels like how much learning I should do, how much learning it's okay. You have to learn, because after going to work now, it will be really very easy for you to take things easily. You'll understand everything easily. They'll tell us to do the analysis. So you can do easy the analysis part, you can easily screen and do the analysis part, that will make your work easy, and you'll get done like your manager, whatever manager you will be assigned to, he'll have an impression, okay, this girl knows this, she's doing her work easily. So you have that impression, okay? When well, while doing work, we should definitely have impression. So if we keep learning right now, then we can keep that impression. Yeah.
Great, awesome. So we at IIPT, our complete team is so happy that this is what you wanted. You wanted a job in your city, in your research field, and you got that. So we are all super proud and super happy for you that you have. This is just a first step, Lakshmi.
Yeah. I know. It's IPR is like an ocean. We only know few buckets of it. Maybe one bucket, I guess.
So it's the first step you have got into it. So because we are so proud and I'm so happy, and I see today a lot of potential in you. I see that you can grow more ahead and ahead in next 2 years of time. So we wanted to give you a very small gift from our side.
Oh, thank you.
So what we wanted to give you is that we wanted you to prepare for patent agent examination for 2021. So we will be sponsoring all your education, all your preparation, everything is on us.
Oh, wow. That's wonderful. Actually, I asked them like any patent agents are available in our office, so that I could learn from them whether I should go for training, particular training, what language of patent we should learn and all that. Thank you so much for the gift. Yeah.
So you will receive
I feel like I'm really blessed.
So you will receive this information on your address as well as an email. So we will have the training starting from April onwards, in which there will be live classes, study material, everything. And I'll be super glad to be your mentor again for examination.
Thank you. Yeah, you helped us a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshmi, and pay my regards to your parents, because
sure.
Because without them we could not have met. With their support.
Sure.
So we'll be in touch, and we'll be seeing you more in our patent agent hackathon class.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lakshmi.
I thank IIPT whole group. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.